What's it like to hang out with Billy Hol in the workshop? I asked him if we could come down and have a chat about his car, and he said, sure, we've just got to chuck a few things back together. I get down there, the few things, just getting the gearbox out, changing the clutch and putting it in. At least at the end we test it. Have a look. It's such a good day.
What? I'm going to have to show you the...
Oh, that wasn't my Red Bull. Oh, that had some form of alcohol in it.
Oh,
is that my Red Bull there?
Who said it was alcohol?
Yeah, yeah, fucking GHB.
Yeah. See you later. Nah, here we go. You're just fucking like, you're really silly.
I don't drink, so it was like, yum.
To you. So
what are we doing?
Well, we're not taking GHB for a start.
Well, that's a good start, yeah. Because Billy is not attempting to date rape me. No, we've established that.
Yeah, we've got this gay ass, hoary bum clip in here. I need you to hold that like my head torch.
So
I'm a bit sketched up to using that plug on the top of my head forehead just in case it fucking
arcs up or something.
Well, you know, I might get a fucking bright idea.
I've learned just now.
Okay, can you try to get that? Come back the other way.
That way?
A bit more.
There?
I don't know. A bit more. It's what? I can see it there. Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. So it's what? It's Betty.
It's a Betty. Yeah, it's
Betty
gearbox. Betty gearbox, right?
Yep.
With a pull type clutch system. Maybe just give that a little tick with maybe that big cruise in there.
Give it tip this way?
Yeah, the other way.
That way?
Yeah.
What we're looking?
Can't see it. Okay, so that you just come off. I think I'll slip down. Wait, it's really hard to see, you know.
Yeah, I can tell.
Let me try.
So let's
maybe come from this angle. Maybe, like this maybe.
Do you want to swap then?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
At least on Subarus, have you ever seen how you do it on a Subaru? No. You gotta pull this pin out.
Oh, yeah,
so you take a guard bolt off and you screw it into the pin, and then you can undo it that way. Is that better?
Not really, no. I've like looked through the lights on now. Oh. No, it's fucking terrible. Right there.
I was moving the gearbox.
Was it? I might just put a bolt a bit harder in the gearbox so it stops it from pushing away. I got to this last night and I was like, oh man, I better fucking just wait. Trying to get the gearbox out by yourself. I was like, fucking man.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
But do it.
At least you got a hoist.
Yeah, but it's no good when you need to hold fucking your gearbox from up there.
No, it makes it further.
Yeah. Okay. Try again. That'll screw over everything.
What do you have to?
The fade one.
The one we had 10 seconds ago.
Far out.
That's awesome.
How do I do that, eh?
I know, it's impressive.
There it is.
I was just actually talking to my parents about that. Because Mum was like, when I'm gardening, I spend half my fucking time looking for the tool that I just had, and I was like, oh, I'm glad it's not just me.
That's the one there.
Is that what that hole's for? To
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
go into it? That's so Japanese, eh?
Maybe, do you reckon with the other arm, you've got there's this little lead here?
Yeah.
Just,
Wait, we need to touch his torch still.
yeah. How do we have it going like this?
You put that where you want it.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, we'll go with the head torch like that.
Yeah.
Oh, come back a minute. Yeah, and there's this little arm here.
Yep.
Okay, so that's the clutch, so that it pushes that in, which pulls that clip out.
Yep.
Alright, I'll give you this here. And so there's a clip, what I'm trying to get off is that clip.
So just put pressure on it. So that
You'll feel it when I go to clip it off. This one. Proper surgery.
yeah, bro, this is...
Fucking go away. Thing right around my neck. Now Gator's fucking losing his arms. Yeah, give it a little tuggy, just a little bit. Oh no. I'm tight, boy.
We need fucking 6 arms to do this, bro, not 3.
Shouldn't do.
Well, we're making it look awkward.
I know we are. Alright, but it is awkward. Give it a tap with him in there. Try that in. Because like, get it, it's like just a fucking... Okay, you let it go with my arm, that's right. Give that a tap with the hammer.
Give this a tap with the hammer, or
This
yours?
one here, tap it straight up.
Towards you, up?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love how you say hammer and I immediately know to grab the...
Fucking hell. Why is it so tight? I don't understand, it's just that little clip. Oh no, the light's fucking out to pull the cord out of the back of it. Oh, let's see, well, look at that.
That's not gone well.
Why is it holding on so much? Give it a little wiggle. Just a little wiggle, just need a wiggle it. Yeah, no, stop that. Shit, that's fucking clipped. I'll patch myself in here in a minute. You want to have a look Gator in there? See if you can see what you're doing.
I couldn't even see what it was in the first place.
Okay, yeah, right.
I'm feeling decidedly underwhelmed. Let's see.
Maybe I'll try this bucket kind of. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like it's a fucking shaft. It's got a metal cage basket inside there, and then fucking the other bit like slips inside it, and you just got to like push it in so the circlip releases out.
Is it the thing that when you put the clutch in, you push it in the first time and it clicks in? Is that the thing? Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
I think the Starlet's got the same.
Is it?
I think.
I can't stop seeing them up the other bit.
Oh, that was positive. Was that it?
Good, that might have been it. I hope so. I'll pull the release bearing off. I can't see.
What have we done?
Oh, we just pushed it away from the gearbox.
Oh.
What the fuck? It shouldn't be this hard. Maybe it's just going to come off already.
I'm just going to go and check something in the car. Here you go, bro. Gamer Rally sponsorship. Merry Christmas.
I think you're really.
It's magnetized and it's got a hook and it turns.
You're kicking me.
So
Thank you, fucking.
it's fucking, I love it. So maybe there, or is it aluminium? Motherfucker. You got it. No, that's not going to help us. Oh, it's smaller anyway. You can get it.
Yeah, it's fucking way better. Yeah, there we go.
Because didn't you just put the gearbox in?
Yeah.
Was the clutch good then, or?
No, so it was just the one I had it on around a twin plate one.
Yep.
And it needed to fucking, one of the plates needed to be done again. Oh.
But you just sort of chuck it in for now?
Well, fucking that's all that.
Do some skids, eh?
Well, get me Mike's there.
Yep.
Because I got back that week, you know.
Yep.
I had bought one power supplier from there, gave me a new clutch mat.
Yep.
But it was for a Series 4 box.
Oh,
and I was kind of thinking, maybe hopefully I could just put the gearbox of the Series 4 box onto this one.
Yep.
Well, the manual RX-8 fucking, it's off. It's off.
The joys of having done this job recently is that you're all set up for it, right?
Oh, well, the tool's still on the ground.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Where'd you go? Gearbox out of the way.
Hey?
Yep, Stuart straight, do you want to go sit in here?
What are we going to do?
That's it, on here. I'll just keep this handy just if we get tired.
Yep.
But I'll pull it back. If I leave it there, I'll pull it back onto this.
Yep.
And then.
So what am I doing? Just getting ready.
Yep, just drop back. Yep, she's coming. Yeah, much wind that thing down.
Shift is all out.
Yeah, what this down? Wind this down now.
Mate.
Yep. Just gotta keep it fucking level, you know. Okay, when you're ready, you fucking lift it onto the table, I suppose.
Which way are we going?
Right, onto Georgie. Under there, yep.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, let's push it out of the way anyway. I'll leave it like that. Put it right there, a bit more forward. Yep, sweet. Stay there.
Yep, we're in.
I can stay right there anyway, can't I? Just leave it there, just leave it there, just leave it there, just leave it there. You're right.
That's what we're playing with up here.
Oh,
Is your car too fucking aluminium?
well, it's not aluminium. There's a little clip, look.
Oh, yep.
So you push it down to flatten it out to push it past that, but fuck, you still can't get in there. Yeah, we'll get it out. Got it. Yep, that's us.
Does it matter what order they go in, or are we going? We're going different style now.
We'll start with the other one first, and you go fucking the next one.
Is it same style?
Look at it, melted out. Yeah. Not bad. Isn't that fucking almost long?
There's nothing on that.
Yeah. Look at that one. That's why there's sparks coming out. Just melted it away.
Oh.
But to be fair, that one wasn't even much better than that before.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, they did a weekend and a night.
They did make mochi.
Yeah. Was the burnout in the driveway struggling, or like did it fuck out?
I had my big tyres on it. No, I fucking did skids for fucking ages. We did fucking it all night. Fuck, it was ridiculous.
Yeah.
Watching me do skids in my driveway, like.
Yeah, nice.
I like that. I was starting to show, you know.
Oh, because
no one else can spin doughies in there. So
no,
like,
not many.
No. With none of the boys who are here.
What's next?
Well, can we get to fucking put a new flywheel on it and then fucking put another clutch on it? I'm pretty sure I got a clutch plate. I'm pretty sure.
So this is what hoarding for fucking 20 years does. When you break your car, you just go and grab more.
Oh, you just look for some part. Oh yeah, pretty well. I obviously wrote Betty on that, so it must have been like a proper good part.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I took the time to
worth labeling. Yeah.
It does look good. You know.
Yep. So you're just going to put a normal clutch into it effectively. Not a twin plate.
I've got that. Yeah, just that new standard clutch, and you CD fucking took the spring.
Yeah.
Like, I don't really need it after first.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
It's not just make sure that those. Yeah. So I put the big tyre. I put that on.
Were they on that?
Yeah, the 295/50. He's waiting for my burnout. So my car was fucking. It heaves. It was ridiculous. It was dumb.
And you got it to spin in the driveway.
Yeah, you got to spin. You can pop them.
We'll have to cut to that video now then.
Yeah. Well, I'll give those to you. It was going to fit, eh? So that came out of that. We're going to have to put that in the labour machine now because it's a bit fucked. Oh, but you can't use that pressure plate, that new pressure plate, because, I don't know, fucking Bob's your only fanny, right?
Look at that.
There's the clip.
It's like it new.
Make sure this fits onto that. Yep. Make sure this fits into this. Break the cobwebs off. Give it a little sand up with it. Get that stuff off. See how straight it is. Should we push it outside? Because it feels like it's going to rain, eh? Does it? Or no, maybe not.
It did up on the coast. I hope you're doing the safety squint.
There we go. Should we run here somewhere? Nah, alright.
Very nice.
Give it a bit of stand up. That'll do, eh? That'll do. That with that.
Do you need that clip thing out of there?
Yeah. The clip thing out of that purple one.
What are you looking for? Your torque wrench?
Yeah. Torque wrench, I mean. Torque it up wrench. Oh, it's in the basket maybe.
It's not like in the truck from...
No, I don't think so. I've got a couple of them. He's half one. His head's falling off.
Can't do a half job.
Well, we might have to.
We could always just do them up fucking tight.
Yeah.
Like,
I will, yeah.
3 Agger daggers.
Yeah. Oh, that one's fucked too.
3 Agger daggers. Oh, here we go.
Yes. Another bench.
Yeah. It's your bench management system. That's fair.
I'll give it 45. You know, I have to try and hold that fucking paper there if you can. Oh, yeah, I'll get something else for you. I'll lock something in there.
What a team, eh?
Yeah.
Normally chucking it in the hole's the easy bit though, right?
Yeah, well, getting it out of it, hey, sometimes.
Still talking about sex, right?
Yeah. Oh, not even that. How the fuck are we stuck in a hole?
This thing doesn't appear to have wheels.
Yeah, this isn't the best table, this one.
Eh?
This isn't the best table, this one.
That's your best one or isn't
No,
it
it's
the
not.
best?
Yeah. That one is me.
Let's just jack it up and then we're going to do the last half hole. Is that the plan?
Good.
Is that what you
Or
normally
we can
do?
put it up with that. And then lift it up slowly with that.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, hold on. Okay.
So what are we going to do?
Let's push it over this way a little bit. Lift it onto that. Yeah, okay. What's that?
Yeah, it is about there. You're right. Yep, that is right about where it needs to be. There.
Okay.
It's going to come up a little bit at the back.
Oh yeah, that's it. That'll do.
Yeah.
Let's push it in. Yeah, that's what you want.
There, isn't it?
Yeah. 40, I don't know the fucking gun.
Oh, fuck, this is close to coming off again.
You just hold it in there, hold it in here. Look at him. Just keeps rolling off that dowel.
There we go.